So what we needed as children, we needed to connect with a mothering person who was emotionally regulated, safe, and reliable. And the relationship with the mother is going to be the most important relationship for any child. It's going to form the foundation of all future relationships and the relationship you have with yourself. So you need your mother to be a mirror to you. If your mother isn't giving you love and acceptance, you're not gonna, feel it as an adult, and you're going to learn to soothe yourself the same way you were soothed as a child. So a good mother is going to be calm, and she's going to provide external regulation for the baby. So a baby, until about the age of 3, can't tell the difference between themselves and the outside world. And they're looking to their parents to help them co-regulate their emotions. You try to soothe a baby and you get, upset or anxious with the baby crying, you'll probably notice that makes the baby cry more. So if a parent is anxious or upset around the baby's going to pick up on them. Likewise, there's a lot of anger, a lot of dysfunction in the household, baby's going to pick up on that as well.